Hello dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about a lot of topics in this business law. Today we will see special contracts of agency. Agency contracts are very important in business law as per the Indian Contract Act 1872. So as per the chapter 10 section 182 to 238. Section chapter 10th and section 182 to 238, it has mentioned very clearly about agency of contracts. What is this agency of contract? Let me give you a definition first. A person who can sell his goods, he can deal his transactions by himself. This is one case. Second case is that a person who cannot sell his goods or who cannot deal his transactions, he can appoint another person. So this second case we call it as a contract of agency. Confused? So I'll give you more clarity. Suppose say A is the seller and A appointed B. What he is selling? A, goods, some goods, electronic goods. He has to sell electronic goods, or he is having a manufacturing company, or he wanted to sell property, real estate. He can't sell directly. So he has appointed B as agent. A is the owner and he has appointed B as agent. So this contract we call it as the agency contract. Now agent is going to act on behalf of the owner. Ownership is not transferred, ownership will be as it is, only he is going to act as a agent on behalf of the owner, and he will be selling the goods to someone third parties. So this is not the business of A. A is going to receive the amount of B, from B, whatever he sold, how many goods he sold, that's it. This is about the contract of agency, simple. Clear? Now coming to the features of this contract, agency contract. If you want to make it agency contract as a valid contract, so these 5 features has to be fulfilled. The first one is 3 parties. Who are the 3 parties? Here owner, agent and third party. Third party, it can be anyone, but the main important 2 characters are here A and B only, owner and agent. Third parties are not much important anyway, third party will be there, that's it. So this is about the 3 parties who are required in this agency of contract, but mainly we consider 2 parties only, owner, agent. Second one is capacity of contract. Both owner and agent, they should be fit to enter into a contract. They should have the capacity to enter into the contract. We have studied capacity of contracts already. So he should be a major, he should not be a lunatic, or he should not be drunkard, and he should not be an insolvent. So all the features has to fulfill. He is fit to enter into the contract. This is, we call it as a capacity to contract. Next one, consideration. Consideration means some remuneration is required. Without remuneration, there will be no agency. So that consideration can be in the form of money or in the form of services, anything it can be. And you know, sometimes without consideration also agency contracts will work. How? Suppose on behalf of husband, wife is working. Wife is doing some services, or son is giving some services, son is working on behalf of father, or a friend is working on behalf of another friend just for help. This is no consideration, free cost. So consideration may or may not be, it is not compulsory, but most of the time you will find consideration. Without consideration no agent will come, unless there is strong bonding relationship between the parties, then only it's possible, otherwise no. Next one is but expressed or implied. Agency contract can be expressed or implied. Expressed means we have already studied types of contract, expressed contract, implied contract. Expressed means when one party is expressing about their contract willingness to another party in writing or oral, few words, saying few words. So that is expressed. So agency contract can be expressed. In expressed, better always go for written. You'll have some strong proof, written proof, anything happens you can just discuss about it. So that is why in express better always go for written. And coming to the implied, what is this implied? Implied means through the actions, no words, no written letters, only through actions. Are you going to act as an agent on behalf of me? Other party is saying implied means gestures. Simply through the gestures, a party can become, a contract can become an agency contract with the gestures only. So that is why it can be expressed or implied. Next, other features. To become a valid contract, all other features we have discussed in the first topic. A valid contract features, proper consideration should be there, and also proposal and acceptance and capacity. So other features, it should be lawful. All the features has to be completed. It has to accomplish, then only it will become agency of contract. So that's all about the introduction of this agency contract. Let us go for recap of this agency contract. Agency contract is nothing but it's a contract between the owner and the agent. Agent is going to act on behalf of owner. Ownership is not transferring, right? So what are the features? We have discussed three parties should be there: owner, agent and third party. Capacity of contract, they should be fit to enter into the contract. Consideration, most of the time we find that there should be consideration. Only when there is a strong relationship, then only no consideration. Next, it can be expressed or implied. Then other features, other valid features of normal contract, everything should be there. In the coming class, we'll be discussing about the ratification of agency. Very important topic, ratification of agency. Most of the time you can expect one question in the exam, business law subject. So please be in touch. In the description box I have given a lot of subjects, lot of topics. Go ahead and watch it. Do help to someone and enhance your career. So be in touch. Thank you very much for all your feedback. Good luck. Take care.